Experience faster, crease-free drying with the Beldray Heated Clothes Aeropod. This round, lightweight aluminium model holds up to 10 kilograms and uses 6 drying arms to hang 18 garments at once, while 6 intelligent heat settings and a powerful 1000 revolutions per minute fan heat to deliver quick, efficient drying. Say goodbye to tumbled dryers and hello to fresh, ready-to-wear clothes in a fraction of the time with a stylish grey and finish. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Meet the Russell Hobbs freestanding condenser dryer, a stylish black addition that fits smoothly into any laundry routine. With an 8 kilogram drum, 15 programs and 3 heat settings, it handles every load from jeans to delicate fibers. The condenser design means no external venting, while Sensor Dry protects clothes from over-drying. Quick 29-minute and 12-minute cycles save time, and the delay start keeps laundry perfectly timed. Got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Meet the comfy freestanding heat pump tumble dryer, 8 kilograms of quiet, efficient drying genius. Its auto-dry system protects fabrics from shrinkage and color fading, while the anti-crease drum turns in both directions to loosen tangles and slash ironing time. With 16 programs, 3 drying levels, and an 8 kilogram capacity, it covers every wash day need from refresh to daily dry, all in a white low noise package. You've got the link in the description and the pinned comment. Meet the 3 kilogram mini vented tumble dryer, a compact high-efficiency solution that fits neatly into any home. With 5 drying modes, adjustable cycles for towels, jeans and delicates, and powerful 830 watts, it dries quickly while protecting fabrics. Its stainless steel tub stays sturdy, and overheat protection guards every load. From 20-minute cool cycles to 60 to 180-minute options, it adapts to your day. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Imagine a freestanding Russell Hobbs tumble dryer that looks as good as it performs. With a 9 kilogram drum, 15 programs and 3 heat settings, it handles everything from jeans to delicate shirts, while heat pump technology trims energy use and protects fabrics. A quick 34-minute quick dry, a 20-minute shirt cycle, and a handy delay start keep laundry painless. Child lock adds peace of mind. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Meet the Russell Hobbs compact mini vented tumble dryer, a space-saving marvel that fits neatly on your kitchen counter or can be wall-mounted to free up room. Quiet, efficient and ideal for small spaces, it features 3 heat settings, a 200-minute timer and a reliable vented design that sends hot air straight outside. Perfect for rented spaces, caravans or holiday lets. It's lightweight at 17 kilograms and backed by 1 guarantee. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment.